Hello and welcome to our exclusive coverage of the India Sports Expo 2014. Day 2 of this event, and there was so much of buzz from sports intellects to media heads. A discussion on varied subjects was part of the agenda. A large turnout yet again suggested that most sports enthusiasts are seeing a very progressive and rewarding sports market. From manufacturers to retailers to even inventors, keeping business opportunities in mind, it was an afternoon filled with ideas, innovation, interaction and information, more importantly opportunities. Adding colour to the event was Indian sports stars Sarita Devi and Priyanka Pawar. Another action-packed day at the major Dhyan Chand National Stadium. India is a booming market for sports goods and services. The Indian manufacturers have established their superior quality products globally. Even as they face challenges, this afternoon was a perfect opportunity for most to create a database of new clientele and promotion. Indian manufacturers over the years have enhanced their reputation by dishing out quality products time and again. One such company who made a name for themselves is Alpha and Sukhdev, established in 1971. They've had great reputation globally for manufacturing hockey sticks, but there was a sudden decline in sales.
तो एकदम ही सडनली हमें काफ़ी इफेक्ट पड़ा, मार्केट एकदम ही स्लो हो गई वुडन की। हमें कुछ समझ नहीं आ रही क्या हो रहा था। पर हमने देखा कि हमारे पास प्लेयर्स आके डिमांड करने लगे कि हमें कंपोजिट हॉकी चाहिए, और कंपोजिट हॉकी इंडिया में अवेलेबल नहीं थी। तो इस दौरान हमें मौका मिला एक्सपो फेयर जो जर्मनी में लगता है, हम उधर पार्टिसिपेट करने का। तो हमने उधर पार्टिसिपेट किया। अब मैंने उधर जाके देखा कि मैक्सिमम जितने पाकिस्तान जो मैन्युफैक्चरर थे वो सब कंपोजिट हॉकी बना रहे थे। वी आर ओनली द वन जो वुडन स्टिक्स बना रहे थे। तो इस दैट्स वाई हमें पता लगा कि हम इंटरनेशनली भी काफ़ी पीछे रह गए हैं इस चीज़ को देख के। तो हमने उसी टाइम स्टडी किया कि हमें कंपोजिट हॉकी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करनी चाहिए।
Now Indian manufacturers have established their superior quality of products globally.
इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड जो बनता है, जो भी माल बनता है, फॉर्चुनेटली क्रिकेट के अंदर इंडिया नए डेवलपमेंट में सबसे अग्रणी है। विदेशों में भी किसी भी कंपनी के आपको इस्तेमाल करते मिलेंगे, किसी कंट्री के प्लेयर्स आपको इस्तेमाल करते मिलेंगे। 100% माल क्रिकेट बैट, पैड्स, ग्लव्स मेड इन इंडिया ही नज़र आएंगे। इसलिए इंटरनेशनल इंडिया के मुकाबले में कोई ब्रांड नहीं है किसी का।
Realizing the potential in this market and also looking at the growing demand, manufacturers now have established their superior quality of products globally.
और अब ये स्पार्टन ब्रांड जो है इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में एक बहुत बड़ा ब्रांड बन चुका है, क्योंकि हमारा स्पार्टन ने बड़े बड़े जो प्लेयर्स हैं जैसे माइकल क्लार्क, क्रिस गेल, MS धोनी, ड्रेवन ब्रेवो, मिचेल जॉनसन जैसे प्लेयरों को साइन करके एक वर्ल्ड में अपना एक नाम बना लिया है।
The brand Spartan in Australia has taken off worldwide with the ambassadors that we've got, and from the grassroots all up. Who doesn't want to be their hero like Gale, Clark or Dhoni? So we've taken about 30% share of the market, and we're having an absolute ball there. It's been fantastic.
But the biggest challenge these manufacturers face is that of skilled laborers. At times, it becomes a painstaking journey to find the right people for the right job.
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डिपार्टमेंट में प्रॉब्लम फेस इस तरीके के प्रोडक्शन के अंदर जो नई लेबर है वो इसके अंदर नहीं आ पा रही है। रीज़न बीइंग ये इंडस्ट्री कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री है, माल घर घर के अंदर बनता है, लेकिन वर्ल्ड लॉज के अगेंस्ट WTO के कारण नई लेबर इसके अंदर तैयार नहीं हो पा रही है। पहले बच्चे स्कूल के बाद अपने पेरेंट्स से काम सीखते थे, लेकिन रिस्ट्रिक्शन वर्ल्ड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की रिस्ट्रिक्शन के कारण बच्चे अगर माल बनाते हैं या काम सीखते हैं, हम उसका माल परचेज नहीं कर सकते। अगर परचेज नहीं कर सकते तो वो इस लाइन में नहीं आ पा रहे।
They are also facing government policies and implementation issues, which turns out to be a roadblock in their progress.
गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज़ के अंदर चेंजेस की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है। जो कंट्रोल मिनिस्टर्स के ऊपर लगा है, वो जो IAS लॉबी के ऊपर भी थोड़ा कंट्रोल लगा है। लाल फीताशाही ख़त्म हो तो इंडस्ट्री डेफिनेटली बहुत ज़्यादा स्कोप है। इंडिया का शेयर वर्ल्ड मार्केट में 0.01% आता है। क्यों ना इसको बढ़ा के केवल 1% कर लें तो इंडस्ट्री बहुत ज़्यादा नज़र आएगी।
The India Sports Expo 2014 is just the opportunity most of the manufacturers are looking at, and at the same time expecting good exposure and ideation from this event.
हम इस बहुत खुश हैं कि विकी ने इतनी इनिशिएटिव लिया कि एक प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया। इससे हमें हुआ कि हमने इंडिया में कभी लगाया नहीं था, हम बाहर ही लगाते थे। इंडिया में आने से हमें ये हुआ कि इंडियन जो कम्युनिटी है, इंडियन जो कस्टमर्स है, वो क्या चाहता है। तो उससे हमें ये हुआ कि हमारा जो ब्रांड था ये बाहर के हिसाब से बन रहा था कि इंडिया में चल रहा था। अब इंडिया के जो हमें सजेशन मिले, हम उस हिसाब से अपनी क्वालिटी में चेंज करके इसको और अच्छा कर सकते हैं।
The primary goal of these manufacturers is to reach out to the world. Their aim is to ensure that Indian brands and names like theirs become household names in the global markets as well. Sports is intersectorially linked. A sportsman does depend on various factors. While it's a coach that leads him or her to a window of opportunity, today technology is a vital component and sportsmen and women are embracing everything on offer. Bowling Robo was one such standout technology feature on display earlier in the day.
Hello, my name is Sanjay. I am from Mecca Sports. We have designed a new kind of cricket bowling machine. This is a machine with a robotic arm. If you see this machine, there is an orange arm. This can bowl like a bowler in an actual machine. It can bowl not only leather ball, tennis ball, any kind of synthetic plastic or even a stone. The balls are kept here. 100 balls can be kept at a time. The balls will be coming one by one through here, and it is very easy to operate. Just with a press of button, this machine will start. Now I have pressed the button. The balls will be coming from here, and this arm, it will take the ball, and you can see the accuracy. It's going to the middle stump. So this is the lever for increasing or decreasing the speed. This machine can bowl from 60 km to 140 km an hour, and this lever is for adjustment of height, short length, long length, good length. All this can be adjusted from here. So it is a fully adjustable machine with the different variations of speeds and very high quality of precision bowling. It is a very accurate machine and made with the Japanese technology. So all the balls going into similar line and length. See, with the seam of a ball, you can do in swing, out swing, any kind of swings. And this is a movable type. You can move the machine with the help of tires. This can be taken indoor, outdoor, for an event also. And this is all sort of variation. And the most important point of this machine is this is a maintenance-free machine. This is a waterproof machine imported from Japan. This is a 5 years of warranty. All the bearings, everything is with the Japanese technology. And we have a service centers where we provide free services to our clients. So we have already sold 10 machines in Bangalore, and we have a very satisfied customer base. And now we are planning to introduce this machine in Delhi because we want our players to have better level of practice, and so that we can win World Cup every time. So not just one. And this machine will be in demo for Delhi. And if anybody is interested for a demo, we are giving a free demo for 3 days. They can use this machine and have a demo in their cricket clubs.
Even as the focus remains on investors, stakeholders and infrastructure, the role of media in sports has clearly changed the way sports in the country is marketed, packaged and viewed today. From media deals to creating sports brand awareness, media and social media has a huge impact on the success of sporting events. And this informative and insightful session was a high point on day 2 of the India Sports Expo 2014.
In sports, physical education, fitness and leisure sector.
Sports at some level is an aspirational thing.
Little job over the last 1 year, all these initiatives that are there, they are really eye-opener for viewers' perspective.
Star Sports for about 12 years and across the entire segment of the sports business.
Well, a day filled with ideas, interaction and information, day 2 of the India Sports Expo 2014 has its fair share of doors for a sports enthusiast. We promise to get you much more on day 3. Thank you so much for joining us. Goodbye.